Okay, well, once again welcome to accountancy class, grade 11. So as we are discussing chapter 6, rectification of error. Okay, so we discussed about some problems from NCERT book. So I hope that you understood through our previous two videos for how to do the problems. Similarly, we have to continue another two problems we are going to discuss this video. Okay, now take NCERT book, page number 219. Okay, page number 219. We are going to discuss exercise number 12. Okay, see here, exercise number 12. See what is the question they asked? Rectify the following errors, assuming that a suspense account was open. So here you want to learn how to do suspense account. That's why I opened here suspense account simultaneously. You also work out when you watch the video, same manner you have to follow the preparation, how you are going to prepare. Okay, so that's what simultaneously you open suspense account. Okay, what is the next line? Ascertain the difference in trial balance. Now we are going to ascertain. So what is the exact difference in trial balance? Okay, then what is the first one? Credit sales to Morgan. See, credit sales to Morgan 7,000 were posted to current as 5,000. So here what type of error? This one, this is coming under error of commission or omission and error of principal or compensating error. So you want to identify which type of error. So mostly here it's error of commission. So they done two mistakes. So one is that we done credit sales to whom? Morgan, but posted to whom? Current. That one amount also how much? 5,000. Okay, understood. So how we are going to do? So somewhere if you do correct entry, wrong entry, rectification entry, the work is very easy. So now here let's see what is the wrong entry. Here they done it posted to current. Okay, so what is the entry for that? Instead of that, see what is the entry they done usually? Current account data, current account data 5,000 to sales account. Okay, sales account correct 7,000. So only thing they posted to current account. That is the wrong entry. Actually we done sales to whom? We have done sales to only Morgan. We are supposed to do right Morgan account debit, but wrongly they debited to whom? Current account. So what is the correct entry? As you know, correct entry what? Morgan account, isn't it? So Morgan account data 7,000. Okay, to sales account 7,000. That's what the correct entry. Now what is the rectification entry? Okay, that's what it's very very important. We are going to discuss rectification entry. Okay, so we done wrongly. So Morgan anyway correct. You want to write. Okay, so Morgan account is supposed to debit how much? Morgan account 7,000. Okay, so we wrongly debit current account. So amount also. Okay, so you want to remove that. So that's what going to credit to whom? To current account. To current account. How much? 5,000. Okay, so actually they return under costing. Okay, so how much you are going to compensate? That's what the 2,000. So we have to write to suspense account. Okay, to suspense account. Because nothing, you have to fill up here, 2,000. Okay, this 2,000. Now understood how to write. So I repeat once again. The wrong entry, they entered current account data to sales account. Sales account amount is correct. Only they posted current account 5,000. Okay. So actually are going to debit whom? Morgan account. That's what Morgan account data to sales. This is the correct entry. That's what. How we are going to do rectification entry? So Morgan account is correct. Yes, whatever 7,000. You want to enter. Okay, that's what wrong here. We enter debit side. So you want to remove the current account. Earlier we are debited. Now we are going to credit. Then only the rectification effort you have to give. Okay, that's what current account I done it 5,000. So difference 2,000. I showed as what? Suspense account. Now understood. So what is the narration? Being credit being that goods sold to whom? Morgan wrongly posted wrongly posted to whom? Posted to Karan as 5,000, now rectified. Okay. So now you done it. Our rectification entry with the narration with the suspense account. Now you want to open suspense account, isn't it? So how to do? You have to open suspense account. That is very, very important. Okay. So how you are going to post? Okay. So for suspense account we have to write by. Okay. As a suspense account you open. So suspense account credit side. So that's what you want to do. What? By Morgan account. By Morgan account. How much? 2,000. Okay. That's why you open suspense account. Now you understood very well, very clearly how you have to do. Okay. So this part only entered. In a suspense account, see in a suspense account, I written by Morgan. Only credit you have to open account now. The suspense account credit side. That's why I have to open suspense account by Morgan account 2,000. So first rectification done, immediately you open suspense account, now you are posted. Okay, now you are going to move for second important one. What is second one? So now take second one. What is second? So you have to clean this. Okay, first we done it. So please take your notebook. So you have to copy this first. Then only you can understood. Okay. Even I given through worksheet as exercise also this exercise. Okay. So now what is second one? Credit purchases from Rogan. See, second one B. B credit. You have to write credit purchases. Credit purchases from Rogan. How much? 9,000. But posted to who? So posted to the debit of Gobind as 10,000. Okay, this is what the transaction. Should be very careful. Okay, so here credit purchase from Rogan, how much? 9,000. First I write correct entry here, then you can able to understand. So we done credit purchase to whom? Rogan. So what you have to write? Purchases account data, how much? 9,000 to whom? Rogan account. Isn't it? So Rogan account 9,000. Okay. That's what the transaction. But what happened? Posted to the debit of Gobind. Usually, we done the credit sales only, we credit the supplier. But what happened? They done the debit of Gobind. That's what here, as a Gobind, okay, they write as 10,000. Sorry. So amount also wrong. So we done the debit, supplier also wrong, debit side. So amount also wrong, instead of 9,000, 10,000. So both mistakes are done. So Gobind account data, how much? 10,000. Okay. So as a credit part, here just to make it. That's what they wrongly posted. Instead of credit posting Rogan account, they wrongly done it what? Purchases. I will write just to write purchases. They given the credit. Okay. That's what they done it wrongly. So what's the rectification entry now? So now I am going to anyway purchase account. Anyway, that is the correct one. Okay. So here I want to do Rogan account credit. Okay. Anyway, I am going to credit to Rogan account. How much? To Rogan account 9,000. Okay. Thereafter my Gobind, earlier I done it wrong debit side. Okay. I am going to give credit. Okay. So to Gobind account. Okay. To Gobind account. How much? 10,000. Okay. So what is my debit? Debit is a one-side error. Here everything is one side error. That's why debit it was to suspense account. Isn't it? To suspense account how much? Now 19,000. Okay, now understood the narration. You can write it very clearly. The same narration. Credit purchase of Brogan 9,000 were posted to the debit of Gobi 10,000. Now rectify. That's what the narration. You have to write it. Now you go to move on the suspense account. How to do suspense account? See, to Rogan account. To Rogan account. How much? To Rogan account. Here 9,000. Okay. To 9,000. To Gobi account 10,000. To Gobi account 10,000. Okay. Gobi account 10,000. You understood now the second part? That's what suspense account based. Suspense account data to Rogan account 9,000 to Gobi account 10,000. Now you enter the suspense account also. Okay. That's what you have to identify very clearly about our second transaction. Okay. Now understood how we have to do the second transaction. So now see the third one. What is C? Just see. Goods returned to Rakesh 4,000 are posted to the credit of Naresh. Okay, understood. Credit of Naresh as 3,000. So two mistakes. So posting to the person also wrong, amount also wrong. So coming under error of commission. So first anyway, write it what? Correct entry. I will write it here. First, what is the correct entry? Goods returned to Rakesh 4,000. So what is the entry? It is coming under return to means what? It is coming under purchase return. Isn't it? So purchase return. How to write? As you know to whom? Rakesh account data how much? 4,000 to purchase return. Okay, purchase return account 4,000. But what happened? They given instead of debit, they given credit of whom? Naresh. That's what the wrong entry. So what happened? They given Naresh account data how much? Amount. They wrongly given 3,000. This was the mistake they done it. So wrong entry they given one part. Naresh account data to how much? 3,000 they entered. So how to rectify now? Now see the rectification entry. Rectification entry is what? So whatever to purchase return. Sorry, they wrong. They given credit. It's wrong. So what is the wrong entry? They given credit of Naresh. So here to Naresh. Isn't it? To Naresh account. They given Naresh account 3,000. So done it here. 3,000. Okay, say debit. You don't understand now the meaning of this. So this was the mistake. Actually, purchase return means you want to debit the supplier. Correct. But what happened? They given the wrong credit. Credit to the person also wrong. So what's the rectification entry? So now I am going to remove that. The amount also wrong. Okay. So what is the amount they are going to mention? Okay. First they do what? First Rakesh account. Correct. Rakesh account. That's what I supposed to debit. Rakesh account. How much? 4,000. Okay. Now I want to remove this Naresh account and this one. Okay. Totally. So Naresh account. So entire Naresh account. I want to maintain what? Entire Naresh account. Entirely I am going to make it debit 3,000. Okay, so what I am going to do? Credit. Credit is what? To suspense account. So one side error, na? So this is the one side error, isn't it? So that's what I totally debit. This is the right one. I am going to do that. Rakesh account now I am correctly debited. Then Naresh account earlier wrongly credited. Now I am going to rectify. To Naresh account 3,000. To suspense account how much? 7,000. Okay. Narration, you know, as usual. Goods returned to Rakesh 4,000 were posted to the credit of Naresh as 3,000 rectified. So narration is very important. As usual, I will write like this. Goods are returned to Rakesh 4,000 were posted to the credit of Naresh 3,000. Now rectified. Same manner you can write it here inside the bracket. So narration is very important. Now how you are going to do posting? So into suspense account, I'm going to posting what? This is C. That's why I mark it here. Okay. What is that? By Rakesh account. By Rakesh account. Rakesh account how much? 4,000. Okay. So then by Naresh account. By Naresh account. How much? 3,000. Okay. Now understood how this entry are giving the effect. Okay. Rakesh account, Naresh account. You understood very clearly. So that's what suspense account. In suspense account, I done it in a suspense account. That's why this two I'm going to credit in suspense account. That's what by Rakesh 4,000, by Naresh account 3,000. Okay, now understood how to create suspense account, how to mention. This is one side error. Okay, error only, credit side only the error. That's why here you want to mention through suspense account. How we have done it our previous transaction same manner. So now finish A, B, C. Now going to do for the D one. So what is D? Now let's see what is D. Okay, now what is going for the D1? What is D? See here. Goods returned from Magesh. Okay, so goods returned from Magesh. So I clean all this. From goods returned from Magesh. Okay, Magesh, but posted to the debit of to debit of posted to the debit of whom? Debit of Manish. Debit of Manish. Okay, so as how much? As 2,000, isn't it? 2,000. I entered clearly. So it is 2,000. That's what the mistake they done it. So how to rectify this? Okay. So goods returned from Magesh were posted to the debit of Manish as 2,000. Now let's see how we are going to do. So as you know, this is coming under what? Whenever returned from means what? Sales return. First I write the correct entry. Then only you can able to understand easily. So what's the correct entry? Goods returned from whom? Magesh. How much? Amount I have to write, isn't it? Goods returned from Magesh, 1,000. Magesh has how much? 1,000. Okay, that's what the entry. So sales return account data, sales return account data, how much? 1,000. Okay, to who return? Return from Magesh. Okay, so Magesh account. But what happened? Entry is wrongly done it. They are posted to the debit of Manish. So what happened? They done it debit Manish account. Okay, Manish account data 2,000. Understood now? So debit, credit. Okay, so here it is blank. So only one side error. So amount also wrong instead of 1,000. So instead of credit they done it debit. Now understood about the rectification of this entry. So as in a rectification entry, which is correct? So as you have to do what? You want to do which is correct one. Sales return account 1,000. Okay, that is the entry you are going to pass. Okay, so you want to remove first what? Magesh account is correct. Okay, to Magesh account correct. To Magesh account anyone go into credit. Okay, so wrongly they done it debit part. Okay, so now I am going to remove that. So to Manish account. To Manish account, how much? 2,000. So what is my debit part? Debit part I shown as a suspense account. Now understood? Debit part, suspense account data, how much? 3,000. Now understood narration? Same manner you have to write. You have to write goods returned from Magesh 1,000 are posted to the debit of Manish as 2,000. Now understood about this suspense account data 3,000. How 3,000? As usual, anyway, Magesh, I'm going to do. Yes, now I'm going to rectify. So wrongly debited earlier, now I'm going to credit Manish account 2000. That's why a suspense account become 3000. Now coming for posting, see posting, this is D. As a suspense account, this is the base, isn't it? Suspense account. So to Magesh account. Okay, so to Magesh account. See, to Magesh account 1000. Write properly. 1000. Okay. Thereafter to Manish account 2000. To Manish account. To Manish account 2000. You understood now transaction D. How you are going to rectify. That you should be very careful. Here you write correct entry, then you understood wrong entry because one side error. That's what I written like this. So you can be able to understand easily for suspense account. How to prepare suspense account. Whoever debit wanted or credit wanted, accordingly you have to mention suspense account. Simultaneously open suspense account, we can posting is very very easy. Now move for the last one. So what is that? Cash sales. Okay, now go for the last one. I came now. Okay, I hope that you watch it this one. Now go for the last one. Okay, so what is the last one? Cash sales 2000. That is E. Cash sales 2000. 2000 were posted to commission. Posted to which account? Commission account. Commission account. That to how much? 200. As 200. So understood about this transaction? Now let's see. So cash sales to 2000. That is the correct entry. So what entry you are going to do correct entry? See, cash account debtor how much? 2000 to sales, isn't it? So we got cash in the form of selling goods. Okay. So through sales we got it. That's what? Always cash sales. What is the entry? Cash account debtor to sales account 2000. Okay. Now what's the wrong entry? What happened? They considered not sales, considered commission. So what is the entry? Cash account debtor. That is correct. 2000. They posted commission account. How much? To credit check. Commission account. How much? Only 200. Understood? Now understood this. Only 200 only. So what's the rectification entry? As a rectification entry, so as I know, sales is correct. Anyway, I am going to give credit sales, isn't it? Okay. To sales account. How much? Credit 2000. So this part I done it clearly. So they wrongly given commission account. Wrongly credited. Now I am going to rectify. So I make it as debit side. Okay. So commission account. Okay. Now let's see commission account. I am going to make it commission account. Commission account how much? Only this 200. Understood? 200. So earlier credited, now I am going to debit to rectify. So what's the difference? Difference is what? 1800. Correct? It is difference. So I consider it what? That is called suspense account. Suspense account. Now understood? Narration same manner. As cash sales 2000 are posted to commission account to as 200, now rectified. Okay, narration very important. So hereafter please you have to write the narration. As when done only you have to know how to write narration. Okay, narration is very very important. Now how you are doing the posting? Now you see, say as a suspense account base, E finally to what? This one. To sales account. How much suspense account debited? 1,800. Now understood. 1,800. So now we are going to tally now. Okay. So now let's see how the account comes. Okay. On debit side, credit side, you have to know what's the total. So I think debit side total is bigger one. So it's coming under 0, 0, now 8, 2, 1, 3, 4, so 13, 1, so 23,800, so 23,800. So what is the balance? The balance is around, see here, 0, 0, this 8. So we know already now to do 4 plus 2, 6, 9. So here 3. So I considered 4, 13, balance 1. So 14,800. So by balance carry down. So now the excess debit is the difference. So you can carry over to balance brought down. That means excess debit, isn't it? Is 14,800 excess debit. So how we have to write? So difference in trial balance what? This is what? Answer. Difference in trial balance. Difference in trial balance. How much? 14,800. 14,800. Isn't it? So excess debit. Here the higher value. Isn't it? That's what? 800 excess debit. That is the rectification after the preparation of the all the 5 transactions through with the help of substance account. We come to the conclusion that there is a excess debit in trial balance. How much? 14,800. You understood? Now 14,800. So likewise, you have to prepare suspense account about this exercise. So whenever they ask like this, you have to open suspense account simultaneously. So whenever rectification entry done, immediately you have to post it. That's why you can do the work very easily. So without any complicated. Okay, don't make it yourself complicated unnecessarily. Okay, that's what is my suggestion. Please open simultaneously suspense account. Okay, then only you can able to do very clearly. Okay, so now you understood about this exercise. Page number 2019, exercise 12. Now you go for the another exercise. Okay. Okay, now let's see the next exercise. I will take the NCERT book, page number 220. Page number 220, exercise number 14. Just to see, rectify the following errors. So what they given? Here, furniture purchased for 10,000 wrongly debited. So wrongly debited to purchase account. So what's your duty? You want to identify which type of error. So this is the error coming under which one? Error of commission and error of omission. So it is coming under error of principal. How? Because see, furniture purchased, it is a capital expenditure. Understood? You understood now what is the meaning of capital expenditure? For the longer benefit, any amount spent for longer benefit, it is called capital expenditure. So here, as a furniture, it is coming under as a asset, definitely for the longer benefit. So consider as capital expenditure. But what happened? They usually treat it as purchase account. So running day-to-day transaction. So when every year they are dealing the goods, okay, they consider as a goods, not asset. So that's why it is coming under error of principal. Okay, the entire exercise coming in error of principal. So we have to do what is the wrong entry. Okay, so what is the wrong entry? What is the wrong entry? Purchase account data. Purchases account data. How much? 10,000 to cash or bank. Okay, likewise we have to do cash or bank account 10,000. You understood? 10,000. Debit, credit. So you please have to draw the line, everything important. Okay. So you use the pencil, everything. Okay. Now understood? So what is the correct entry? You are supposed to debit what? Furniture account. You consider as an asset. Okay. That's what the correct entry. So furniture account data 10,000 to cash or bank. Okay, that is the correct entry, 10,000. So here, this type of error of principal does not affect the trial balance. Here only the head of the account only vary, isn't it? That's why given the error of principal error occurred, it is the what will happen? Does not agree the trial balance is not an issue. Should never affect the trial balance. Okay, now automatically trial balance tally. Understood? That's what here this type of error never affect the trial balance. Okay. So now what is the rectification entry? Rectification entry is very simple. Anyway, you are supposed to debit what? Furniture account. Okay, so furniture account. Furniture account, how much? 10,000 to this part. So earlier wrongly debited. Consider as revenue expenditure. So now it is going to treat as capital expenditure. That's why I am going to credit now. Purchases account. 10,000. Okay. Narration what? Same manner. Furniture purchased being furniture purchased. Okay. Purchased wrongly debited to purchases account. Wrongly debited to purchases account. Now rectify. So this type of error coming under error of principal. It's very important. So you should be very carefully understand, try to understand. So how to make it classify capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Similarly, capital receipt and revenue receipt. Okay, that's it. It's a very important exercise for this. Now move for the second one. So here, so machinery purchase on credit from whom? Raman. I say they done it what? Credit purchase. But what they purchased in machinery? What happened? They done recorded through purchase book. Okay, same manner here. They considered purchases. Okay, understood now. So very important entry here. So machinery purchase on credit from Raman as 20,000 was recorded through purchase book. They consider as credit purchases, not asset. Okay, so what is the wrong entry? So I write what is the wrong entry? Entry is what? Purchases account data 20,000 to Raman account. To Raman account. Okay. He purchased from whom? Raman. But he purchased machinery. But they considered was recorded purchases. What is the correct entry? Correct entry is what? Machinery account data. Machinery account data 20,000 to Raman account. Okay, that's what our correct entry. Now, what is rectification entry? Now you know very well rectification entry. Anyway, debit you are going to do what? Machinery account only. Suppose to debit machinery account only instead of purchase account. That's why I make it machinery account. Machinery account. Data. How much? 20,000 to this part I am going to remove. Send it. So to purchases account. Make it credit now. Because of earlier wrongly I debited, now rectification, we have to credit to purchases account 20,000. Okay. So narration is what? Being machinery purchased. Being machinery purchased on credit wrongly recorded through purchase book. Okay, consider as credit purchases book. Now rectify. Understood now this transaction. Repeat once again. So what's the wrong entry? Purchase account data to 20,000 to Raman account. But actually what should be able to debit? Machinery account data to Raman account. Okay, sorry. 20,000. Okay. So what is the rectification entry? Machinery account debtor anyway supposed to debit this. Then earlier I done wrongly purchases. I am going to credit to purchase account. Okay. So credit side both is correct. This credit side correct. So no question of disturbance. This is correct. So only the problem our debit side. Okay. Now understood. That's what the second entry. Now go for the third one. So now see the third one. It's very interesting. So what is the transaction they given? See here, repairs on machinery on 1400 debited machinery account. That's what they given. Third one, correct? Debited to machinery account. So naturally, repairs on machinery is coming under what type of expenditure? It is considered as a revenue expenditure. Okay. But what happened? Wrongly debited to machinery account, treated as capital expenditure. Now we are going to rectify. So as you know, what is the wrong entry? What is the wrong entry? They done it machinery, they debited machinery account. Machinery account. Debtor 1400 to repairs account. We can say repairs or repairs and maintenance. What are maintenance account? 1400. Wrong. So what is the wrong entry? Machinery account debtor to cash or bank account. Okay, we spend money for that. But what is the correct entry? We spend money for repairs on machinery. Okay, that's what. So repairs on machinery, arrayed as it is, without any confusion. So repairs on machinery account debtor 1400 to cash or bank account. To cash or bank account. How much? 1400. So what is the rectification entry? So now see rectification entry. So as it is correct. So I am going to write repairs on machinery account, because it is considered revenue expenditure. Okay, it is capital expenditure. So as a repairs, we should treat it as revenue expenditure, not capital expenditure. That's why this error coming under error of principle. Okay, so repairs on machinery account repairs on machinery account debtor. So repairs on machinery account debtor 1400 to, I'm going to remove this, isn't it? Because wrongly debited earlier. So capital expenditure, they done it. It's not a capital expenditure, it is a revenue expenditure. Okay, so that's going to credit now to machinery account. To machinery account, how much? 1400. So I consider this what? Here. Okay, narration being same manner. Repairs on machinery. Repairs on machinery. Okay. Wrongly debited machinery account. Machinery account. Now rectified. Okay. Understood. That's what the importance of this error. Type of error coming under error of principle. Understood? So machinery account debtor to cash at bank account 1400. So wrong entry. Correct entry. Repairs on machinery account debtor to cash at bank account 1400. So what is the rectification entry? Repairs on machinery account 1400 to machinery account 1400, because earlier wrongly debited, now rectified to give credit. Okay. Now move for the fourth one. This is also same one. See the slight difference. So repairs on overhauling of second-hand machinery purchased. So what happened? They debited to repairs account. Understood now? So anyway, we purchase second-hand machinery for overhauling. So as a second-hand machinery, as a machinery means naturally for longer benefit. We consider as a capital expenditure. But what happened? They consider as a revenue expenditure. Okay. So now what is the wrong entry? Same manner here, same example here. So what happened? They done it First wrong entry what? Repairs account. That means they consider as a revenue expenditure. Okay. So repairs account data. Repairs account data. How much? 2000 to cash or bank account. Okay, 2000. So what is the correct entry? You should be debit what? Second hand machinery only. So you can write like this: second hand machinery or only machinery. Second hand machinery account data 2000. We are going to debit where? Second hand machinery only, not repairs account. To cash or bank. To cash or bank account. How much? 2000. Okay. So now what is rectification entry? So as you know, this should be debit. Okay. So second hand machinery account. Second hand machinery. Okay. Second hand machinery account data 2000 to. So earlier I done it wrong debit, isn't it? I am going to credit to repairs account. Repairs account 2000. So narration what? So repairs on second hand machinery. Okay. Earlier debited wrongly. Okay. Early debited wrongly in repairs account. Now rectify. Okay. That's what this one. Understood? Narration. So narration very important. That's what fourth one. So repairs account data 2000 to cash and bank account 2000. What's the correct entry? Second hand machinery account data to cash and bank account 2000. So this is the wrongly written as revenue expenditure. It's supposed to be what? Capital expenditure. Okay. That's why we make it as capital expenditure, second hand machinery account 2000. So earlier wrongly debited repairs account, now rectified to give effect to make it credit side to repairs account 2000. Understood? That was our fourth example. Now finally we are going to see the final one what? Sale of old machinery of book value of 3000 was credited to sales account. So this is very very interesting one. Okay. So we will do this finally. Okay, so what is the final transaction? They consider it is a, what is that? Sale of old machinery. Okay, so what is the final one? Sale of old machinery. Okay, sale of old machinery at book value. At book value. How much of 3000? Was credited to sales account. To sales account. Okay, that's what the mistake they done it. Now let's see. Actually, sale of old machinery. So we done what? Sale of old machinery at book value. So whatever book value only we sold. Suppose any less than the book value, naturally we know whether we sold on profit or loss. So our further discussion, next chapter depreciation, you can understand very clearly about this. But here, what happened? Actually they done the sales for old machinery. So but what happened? They consider as a sales. Normally when business are doing, they consider as a sales. What is the wrong entry? Okay. Cash account data, see cash or bank account data, how much? 3000. They considered what? To sales account. Understood? Sales account. They consider as a income like through the form of sales. That's what's the correct entry. They sold machinery. So what is the entry? Again, cash or bank account debtor 3,000 to what? Machinery gone out. Okay. So to old machinery account. We want to credit old machinery account. Then only our old machinery account nil. Understood? So this is what? This is coming under real account. So why it is a real account? Debit what comes in. So we got money. So this is what? This is also real account. Okay. Why it is real account? Credit what goes out. So we sold our machinery. So machinery goes out. Through that we got money. So debit what comes in the form of cash. Okay, both are real account. But here what happened? This is real account. This is what? This is nominal account, isn't it? The form of income. So we got money not in the form of income. We got money in the form of selling our old machinery. Now understood? Error of principal, variation. So if you do like this, so our approach is totally wrong. We consider as a nominal account. Some nominal account, we consider as a real account. We did say. So the rectification entry. So as you know, this debit is correct. So only thing we want to make it our old machinery wrongly they correct. So old machinery is correct. To old machinery account. That's what credit we want to do correct. Machinery account 3,000. Okay, 3,000. So what should be debit? Earlier we done credit, isn't it? So earlier we done credit. I am going to debit. Sales account data. Sales account data 3,000. Then only our credit. Earlier credit part wrongly considered as a sales. Now I am going to debit to make a rectification entry. Okay, rectification entry. That is right. So narration being what? Being sale of old machinery considered as machinery wrong credited to wrongly credited to sales account. Okay, sales account. Now rectified. Okay, narration very important. Would have understood. So correct entry. What is the wrong entry? Cash or bank account data to sales account. They treated as a sales, as a income. Actually what happened? Cash or bank account data 3,000 to old machinery account. So as a real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. That's why rectification entry. Earlier we done it credit sales. Now I'm going to debit sales account data 3,000 to old machinery account 3,000. Narration being sale of old machinery wrongly credited to sales account earlier. Now rectified. As a narration, up to your knowledge you can write. Only thing narration should be understandable. Should be understood by the others. Okay. Now understood about this 5 transaction. These all the 5 transaction coming under what type of error? Everything coming under error of principal. Okay. Now understood how to identify error. Then wherever you have to pass wrong entry, correct entry, rectification entry. Even one side error, always you have to make it our previous exercise. Suspense account. We learned how to open suspense account. So likewise, we discussed further exercise, which one is very important. So I hope that you understood this session. Please watch several times because rectification of errors is very important. So whenever you have to practice them only, make yourself very easy, very interesting chapter. Otherwise, you feel as confusion. Okay, that's what the strong in your basic or retribution of error chapter is very easy. That's what this point I am telling several times. Okay, so I hope that please watch this video. Okay, so thank you very much.